The Honolulu police chief gets his chance to face the police commission.
This as they talk about his future after he wasn't invited to join them yesterday.
This is the KHON2 News at 6 with Joe Moore.
Good evening. Thanks so much for joining us.
Joe has the night off. KHON2 News has learned that Honolulu Police Chief Louis K. Aloha will get the chance to address members of the Honolulu Police Commission when the commission meets again tomorrow morning to discuss his future.
Kealoha's attorney told us today the chief wasn't allowed to be at yesterday's closed-door meeting. So what changed? Bridget Namata is looking ahead to tomorrow's meeting. Bridget.
Marissa, I spoke with Kealoha's attorney, that's Myles Breiner. He tells me they were surprised Kealoha was not allowed to attend Wednesday's meeting where commissioners discussed whether they would fire or keep him as head of the police department. But he tells me the police commission reached out late yesterday afternoon and asked Kealoha to speak with them in person. Was Chief Kealoha allowed to be in Wednesday's meeting with the police commission?
No, he was not. It was much to our surprise. We believe in transparency. We have sunshine laws in this state, and the chief should have had an opportunity to address the board.
But that's changed. Kealoha will get a chance to say what he wants to the commission.
He's going to have an opportunity to hear what the board has to say. What comes out of that is anyone's guess. I'm happy at least that they decided to allow the chief to be present so at least he can address some of the questions they may have.
In December, the police chief placed himself on restricted duty after learning he was a target in a federal investigation. A federal grand jury is investigating claims of corruption at HPD over an alleged mailbox theft involving the chief's wife, City Deputy Prosecutor Catherine Kealoha. The 7 commissioners agreed to place the chief on leave indefinitely until they decide whether Kealoha stays or goes. Does the police commission want Chief Kealoha to resign?
I can't answer that question. I know that obviously they've placed him on restricted duty. They've indicated indefinitely removed from his position. I know the chief, as I said numerous times, he lives and breathes law enforcement. He is, and his entire career has been public service. So certainly this is not a pleasant experience for him. He feels that he's being unfairly targeted. And hopefully the board will have a chance to explore all this with him in person.
Again, the police commission will meet at 11:30 tomorrow morning. I'll be there. I'm told a decision will be made regarding the chief's status. We will let you know as soon as we hear anything, and that will be through a KHON2 push alert. Bridget Namata, KHON2 News.